The F2 error code on your Sunbeam electric blanket is a specific diagnostic message that indicates your blanket is not receiving enough electrical current to function properly. Electric current is the flow of electricity that powers your blanket's heating elements. When current is insufficient, the blanket cannot generate enough heat to warm properly, triggering the F2 error as a safety measure. There are three primary causes of the F2 error. The most common is loose connections. This happens when plugs aren't fully inserted or connections have worked loose over time. A faulty controller is the second most common cause. The controller regulates power flow, and if it malfunctions, it may not deliver adequate current to the heating elements. Internal damage to the blanket's wiring can also cause insufficient current flow. This might result from wear and tear, bending, or manufacturing defects. Sunbeam electric blankets include sophisticated safety features designed to protect users. The F2 error can also be triggered when the blanket detects temperature spikes beyond safe operating limits. Remember, the F2 error indicates insufficient current flow to your electric blanket. While this might sound serious, it's often caused by simple issues like loose connections that can be easily addressed with basic troubleshooting steps. The first step in troubleshooting your F2 error is to check the power source. Ensure your blanket is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet. Next, disconnect the controller from the blanket completely, then reconnect it securely. Make sure the connection is firm and properly seated. Now perform a complete reset by unplugging the blanket from the power outlet for 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the internal systems to fully reset. Carefully inspect both the blanket and controller for any visible damage. Look for frayed wires, burn marks, or other signs of wear that could cause the F2 error. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue may be component degradation. Electrolytic capacitors in the controller can lose capacitance over time, causing the F2 error. If troubleshooting fails, you have two options: replace just the controller or replace the entire blanket. Controller replacement may work, but if damage is visible or the problem persists, replace the whole unit. Remember that most Sunbeam heated bedding products come with a 5-year limited warranty. Contact Sunbeam customer service for assistance with repairs, replacements, or warranty claims if your troubleshooting efforts are unsuccessful.